Hola amigos. So today what we're going to be working on and this week are greetings and farewells and some other words and expressions. So I'm going to get right into it. I want you to repeat after me. Here they are. Buenos días. Buenas tardes. Buenas noches. ¿Cómo está usted? The usted is a formal way of addressing somebody. We do not have that in English. ¿Cómo está usted? It's formal, singular. Is this you? How are you, sir or ma'am? ¿Cómo estás? That's informal. How are you? Informally with your friends. ¿Cómo estás? With a teacher or with an adult. ¿Cómo está usted? With a friend. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Hola, don't pronounce the H. Clase, repiten. Hola. ¿Qué tal? El saludo. Here are some answers. Bien, gracias. Bien, ¿y tú? And you, informally, with your friends. Bien, ¿y tú? Fatal. Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? That's formal. ¿Y usted? And you, sir or ma'am. Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? Terrible. Here are some farewells. Adios. Notice the accent. It's a little intonation in that O. Adios. Hasta luego. H is silent. Hasta luego. Hasta mañana. La despedida. Here's a verb. Ser, to be. Soy, I am. I am from Tillamook. Soy de Tillamook. Eres, you are. Where are you from? De donde eres? Where are you from? Es, he is from Tillamook. Él es de Tillamook. She is from Tillamook. Ella es de Tillamook. And vivir, to live. Here's some people and some pronouns, subject pronouns down here. Clase, repeat them. El amigo, la amiga, el chico, la chica, el director, la directora, él, ella, señor, señora. This is a tilde over that N. It's an N-ye. It's called a tilde. It's a sound effect. Señor. It's an N-ye. Señora. Señorita. Tú. Usted. Yo. Okay. Tú, usted, yo. Subject pronouns. Él, ellas. Subject pronouns. Okay, here we go with this one here. La escuela. Mi. El perro. Y. ¿Por qué? ¿Quién? I. Estupendo. Perdón. Pobrecito. Pobrecita. Por favor. Okay, the expectation is that you guys study these words, you make your flashcards, and you practice them. Be ready to use them on our Spanish Cafe on Friday and then all week in our classes that we're going to have. Okay, make your flashcards and practice these words. Adios.